Hey everyone, it's me Rai Rai, and today we have an unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Natsume, I believe that's how you say it, Natsume, solid wood heavy travel easel. When I first opened it, I was so surprised to find this adorable little sketchbook. Like a little cat's getting picked out by this UFO. I ordered this off Etsy, the easel, so you'll see it in the description. I'll put a link. And I love Etsy because sometimes you'll just get cute little goodies from these people who are crafting or designing these artist easels. It comes with some extra half pans for watercolor. And I also got a little bit of this craft tape, which is awesome too, that I could use in the little sketchbook. I love this. This is so cute. By the way, I purchased this easel, but the sketchbook and the little craft tape came with, they added it inside or included it as like a fun little thing to add for their customers. Also got this travel watercolor brush, which is really nice of them too to send that with. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be trying that out. This is a unboxing and first impressions video, so I'll do more thorough review once I get to use this product in the field more, but these are just my first impressions with unboxing it. The product was packaged very well, and my first impressions were, oh my god, just how smooth to the touch this is and how well crafted it is. I heard a lot, even in the description it says that it's heavy. I'm a big person, so it doesn't really feel too heavy to me, but it is very solid wood. You could feel it. It is made mostly of walnut, and there are some metal hardware parts, and then also there's like some other inlaid wood in here too, which is just a beautiful detail. My first impressions were, I just can't wait to go out and use this. There's little, you can see these little threaded holes on the side that you can put in like an action camera. This bottom one is for connecting your easel, tripod, so you can use it as an easel, which is the main reason why I got this. It's for my travel kit. The Natsume logo is etched in some ways, so it just has a really nice finish. To open it, it has kind of this little spring-loaded part of the easel that you can pull out, and it pulls these little prongs out of the holes, and you're able to open the easel. Now you can see right away there are these carbon fiber, kind of like wings, I'll call them, that kind of slide out and reveal these watercolor pans underneath. The hardware I'm pointing out here is just really sturdy. It is not flimsy in any way. This is a real solid easel. There it is. It's 180 degrees. It lays flat, which is really cool if you're going to use it for drawing, or watercolor washes flat. Or you could kind of tilt it up for your sketchbook or watercolor to fit in there. Watercolor paper. These slide open. What's cool is they're kind of magnetically held in place, so you can see they kind of lock in a little bit from the extra strong magnets. Same with this side, holds itself into place. One is for brushes, one is for like a little cup or a little bucket of water. And in the center you have all these kind of half pans, and I love how you could fit your sketchbook in. You could unscrew these little knobs, place the backing of your sketchbook inside, kind of behind them, the little knobs, and then with the top part of the easel, it holds it really sturdily into place. I'm going to clip the paper down, and this is kind of the setup I'm thinking of when I'm urban sketching that I'm going to have if I'm working in a sketchbook. This is a very sturdy easel, so I'm really impressed with how well made and crafted it is. Again, this is something I bought, so it's not sponsored at all, but these are my first impressions. I definitely wanted to buy it so that my favorite Winsor & Newton kit could magnetize onto it and be held very firmly. I researched a lot online, looked at a lot of YouTube videos, and was trying to find something that would fit what I'm looking for. So this was kind of the setup I dreamt of course, on the tripod, so that I could go traveling with it. So if you're wondering why order one that has these half pans inside when you're going to just use your Winsor Newton, the reason why is this. I really like the compartments, and I saw there is removable pans. This model I got, which I believe is Model C, they had removable pans, and I was like, well, that's probably enough space to put a travel watercolor brush inside or pencils and just have something, a little storage area, which I was looking for. So this is how I plan to use it. It comes with those beautiful enamel looking little wells for mixing, but I'm probably going to be using my Winsor Newton one, and this worked like a charm. It slides shut over a pencil and some of my travel brushes, so it's just another way of carrying more stuff. And also I can remove my watercolors or switch out my different kits as I like, and I like the idea of that rather than having to work with the half pans. But yeah, so I love this little extra storage that I am going to use underneath these fiber or carbon fiber little wings that kind of slide in and out. So that's the way I envision it, but who knows, maybe I will end up using these cute little wells for mixing, and maybe I will fill it with watercolor pans. I won't really know till I go out and try it. This is how the paper works. So this is just a tester strip of paper, but if you could imagine a larger sheet of paper, there's 4 magnets you could lift up and kind of use to kind of hold it in place. Now, one of the biggest parts of, or reasons why I got this, is because I was looking for something that was very sturdy and hardy and well crafted that could fit in this bag. With all my other watercolor travel supplies, this is my art bag. I'm going to call it my primary art bag. I'm going to do a full kind of overview of this bag in a little bit, in a couple weeks. But this is my moment of truth, is that it fits. It actually fits, so I'm super excited about this. My whole watercolor studio is kind of fitting in this bag. I have like a little mini studio I could take with me. I also have a really lightweight easel that I did a lot of research on, and I'm excited to try them out together. I'll do a full review of this when I'm able to use it more in the field. Until then, this is my little unboxing video and first impressions. I hope you liked it. If you have any more questions about the box or something you'd like to see in the review, just let me know. Also, by the way, it had this little loop that kind of attached on the side. I don't know if that's to kind of lug it around, but I thought it'd be great to use for like a little towel out in the field, possibly later. So there's a lot of cool uses you can have with this little attachment that they sent with it. But yeah, let me know what you'd want to see in the review, and I hope to hear from you all soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, or share the video if you enjoyed this.